Check out these Carpenter pencils. Seem to be working just fine. Let's have a look at what you get out of the box. So here are the 10 pencils. You get the pencil sharpener as well, an eraser, and then you get a blade if you want to use that instead of the pencil sharpener. If we have a close-up look at the pencil, you can see it does have centimeters here, so you can kind of use it as a measuring stick. Shancheng, made in China. All right, to sharpen it, we're going to use this sharpener. And you just kind of twist it like you would any sharpener. It's a pretty sharp blade on the pencil sharpener, so it's working pretty well actually. That was pretty quick. You can see it is nice and sharp now. Let's do a little bit more. And of course I overdid it. Let's go a little bit lighter. So I am having a bit of issues with the pencil sharpener, with the lead falling off. I think it's a problem with me trying to get it to be too sharp. I'm going to give up on the pencil sharpener. It's a nice idea in theory. Let's try the blade, see how well that works. It's kind of flimsy. Alright, I got my box cutters. Let's try this out. That's more like it. Let's try on a new one. Alright, box cutters are much easier in my opinion. And I'm not wasting nearly as much wood or graphite. Alright, there we go. That's cute. Check out these Carpenter pencils. Seem to be working just fine as a pencil. These were sent to me so I could do this video review. As you can see, they work totally fine as pencils. They are more or less what I would have expected or hoped for. I will say this tool, this knife, is really too flimsy to be of any use. I'm not really a big fan of this. I wouldn't suggest using that. This is okay, but it is a bit tricky. I'm just not very good at using pencil sharpeners, I think is the main deal with this. But realistically, if you're someone looking to get Carpenter pencils, you probably already have box cutters like this or a nice knife, and these work really well for it. These are what I prefer to use overall. These are great pencils.